and All-Weller Technology Company Limited, established in 2019, is a professional trading company specializing in Silicone maternal and infant products, including baby tableware, toys, teethers, and related accessories. Located in Dongguan, Guangdong Province, we collaborate closely with our affiliated factory, Dongguan Yohang Rubber and Plastic Products Company Limited. Leveraging a combined production area of 8,100 square meters and a workforce of 115 skilled employees. Equipped with 32 advanced production machines and a dedicated R&D team, we integrate innovation with precision manufacturing to deliver safe, eco-friendly, and durable solutions. Our strict quality management system adheres to ISO 9001:2015 standards, ensuring excellence from raw material selection to final packaging. All products undergo rigorous testing and hold certifications such as CPC, LFGB, FCM, guaranteeing compliance with global safety regulations. With a focus on customisation, we support OEM ODM services and have successfully exported to markets in Europe, North America, Eastern Asia, and beyond. Our modern facilities and flexible processes enable us to meet diverse client requirements, whether for bulk orders or tailored designs. Committed to the principle of innovation, integrity, and mutual growth, we prioritize customer satisfaction through responsive communication, competitive pricing, and reliable after-sales support. Partner with All-Weller Technology to experience a seamless supply chain and high-performance silicone solutions that empower your brand's success.